Right, let's get your boots.
Health and safety. Tie knot here.
It's right. I think this is absolutely amazing that we've got such an amazing find here, right? And they haven't even dug a hole in the ground yet.
No,
Well,
we're just going on the words of the lads that were here a couple of weeks ago.
Is this a Richard III thing?
No,
Well,
we believe it's Roman actually. Yeah, from what they were running around saying, they think it's definitely Roman.
you know these students have been telling you this stuff?
Yeah.
How long have they been doing it for?
About a year.
About a year.
Yeah, postgraduate.
And there's you've been doing it 7 years, Dermot.
Dave.
Oh, for God's
I'm
sake.
Dermot, you bloody. Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
I work for Dave here. He just tells me where to dig, basically.
Have you found a piece of metal there? What's that?
It's a peg.
It's a tent peg.
Yeah, tent peg.
You found a tent peg. Can I just say, why have you got a fine... Don't worry about the tripod, just walk around with it. Okay? Let's just get a little bit of this just in case we need it.
Yeah.
Watch out, Dave. Move all that muck out the way for me.
Mind you, at the end of the day, I think archaeology's fascinating.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, you must have had a lifelong interest, lads.
Yeah, I've always been interested in the Romans of that sort of period, so it was either become a stuffy historian or get my hands dirty and be on the forefront, so to say.
That's really good.
For me, I liked history a lot at school.
Oh, right, that's
But
good.
I didn't like all the paper, I like more physical stuff, so I thought archaeology would be very good.
Oh, okay. Well, archaeological mode again. Right, here we go. Make some more of that. We might not need the whole. We not need the whole surface. Okay. You know all these finds here, right? I'll give you a separate finds tray, and what you could do is start putting some of these into the tray. That's good. It's looking good. Make sure you get your edges right as well. Get some more of that out there.
Here, Dave, give us a hand, grab a shovel.
Get that edge against that line. Just clear it. Bingo. Right, you guys. If you can get this cleared to here. Okay. Right, director mode.
I'd say
Back on film
late,
mode.
I'd say late 19th, early 20th. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, put that to one side.
Try the box.
Careful now. Try and find as many fragments as you can.
Yeah, okay.
Might be worth a bit. You know? Yeah. Right. What do you want? No. What do you want? Oh yeah. Sort of.
You take that bit out, yeah?
Yeah. And I'll tidy this bit up. Mine needs to go a bit deeper. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because no luck yet.
Hey, look. A bit more of that wedge grip stuff.
Yeah, it's everywhere.
Yeah.
I hope this ain't the Roman art. I thought it'd be something a bit more exciting and a bit of pottery.
Yeah.
Yeah, but as I said, it looks late 19th, early 20th, so...
Exactly, not wrong.
Yeah, the colouring's definitely off for it.
Yeah. My mind again. Right. Okay. There you go. There you are. Right, I just need all this edge cleaned up with the brushes, okay?
Okay.
A clean edge. That's, yeah, obviously. If you keep one tray on one side, one on the other, just clean that up with brushes. Okay, have another pile there so it looks like you're doing more. Okay, you're all at the same level, that's exactly what I want, okay? Just clean that out. Get all that all cleaned out to a level, and then there. Is it Roman pottery?
No, it's I think it's late 19th. If you look at the colouring on it,
Yeah.
it's far too white for it to be. You get staining in that on the pottery if it had been underground for a couple of centuries.
Wow.
So we think that's like Wedgwood.
Would
late
that be displayed
19th.
in a museum?
We'll just start trialling it out and see what pops up.
Cool. Right. Right, jacket off, archaeologist, jacket on, pillock. Right. Clean all out now with your hand shovels. Get rid of that bit there.
Yeah.
Right.
The trowel, yeah, you mean?
Yeah. Oh no, we haven't got hand shovels. Yeah. No. Clean. Right. Okay then. Right. Archaeologist mode. Right. Bingo. Okay. What you want? You do not want any of this building up. Okay.
Yeah.
Get all this in your hand get all this in your shovels over there. Get that edge. Get a clean edge.
Yeah.
Okay. Get a clean edge, and get all the loose stuff out. And when you
get rid of all this shit.
yeah, get it all out. Clean it all up. Right. Yeah. Okay. What's the line? Okay. That's good. That's what you need. That's what you need. Okay. Okay. Just here we go. I'm not doing troweling per se at this minute. I'll just clean it up. Just get all that loose out. Sorry. Get all that loose out there. Yeah, all that, and then I can get you troweling. Yes, that's good. Just get all that cleaned out, and then we'll get you troweling in there. Willow, how's the filming going?
Sally.
Who's Sally?
The name of my school.
What, Willow?
Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's
Good.
yeah. Playing with the Zoom.
Get more in there.
Yeah.
Just get closer and get more in there.
Yeah.
Careful now, Dave. You don't want to upset whatever's down there, if anything at all.
I think this is an amazing moment in history.
Maybe.
Has the ITV been in touch?
No, you're the first person to actually call back.
Oh right, cool.
So, think of this as your big break as well.
Right, clean this up now. Get all this out. Hand shovels. Not just this bit here. Follow my instructions. Just get this loose stuff out. It's looking good. Get all this out. Okay. Okay, just get that loose out and we'll get you doing some troweling now, okay? Good.
Cheers, Dave. Did follow you.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah. Tell you what, before we start filming, anyone want a cuppa?
Not yet. I just want to get this cleaned out. Give me a trowel. Trowel.
They're behind you.
But we haven't got hand shovels. I keep on making a mistake. But they're gone. Students didn't bring them back the other day. Right. Okay, here we go. Too narrow. Right. Okay, we'll get that out. Just get that loose out now, right? And we'll get you troweling. Bingo. Well, okay then. Well, let's get you feeling like archaeologists. Kneeling mat, both of you on your knees, please. Okay. Right, I want you troweling for about a good half an hour, okay? But we'll have a break.
Where's the trowel?
Bingo.
There's one, and there should be another one round here. Seen it?
Yeah, make sure you find it. They're 20 quid a piece. There. Bingo. Right, now let me show you technique. Tom,
Yeah.
watch. Okay? Let me show you technique, right? Okay. Now this takes a whole year to learn this, but we're going to do it in 20 minutes.
Okay, carry on.
Right, so okay, you excavate obviously to there, he excavates to there, okay? So what you need to do, you need to clear a line, okay? Straight line, just keep that flat edge like that, and it's important because this is going to be filmed, okay? And when you've done that, right, you clean that up and you put it in your buckets. No. What's the time, please?
9:19.
Right. Archaeologists will break at past. Keep that soil going, okay? Bucket, when your bucket's full, over here. Don't let that soil build up. Keep going to that edge and keep it sharp down. Good.
Sorry guys, do you not have any portaloos on site or anything too?
Pardon?
Do you not have any portaloos on site, or is there a toilet I can use somewhere?
It's all right in the main building.
Yeah? Alright, no
Okay,
problem.
just on your left.
Right, you're digging down, right? You need to keep this level.
Keep it level.
Keep it level, you're digging down.
I thought
Okay?
that's what you wanted.
Show me again. Move out a minute. Okay? Right, you see this here? Try and get this out so that you're digging down. So again, back at the front. I'm trying to get this edge perfect. Yeah, keep that. See that line I'm developing there?
Yeah.
I'm having to do, obviously I'm having to do some more. Okay? So you take that out.
Put it in the bucket.
Yeah, and try and get this out here so it's perfectly,
I see what you want.
yeah? And then you go down on the next level. What you need here is take this out here. Go down at the bulk. You need to go down as a line. This needs to look good as if professionals have done it, okay?
Yeah.
Just keep going down. Keep that edge all the way down there, all the way through, okay? It's starting to happen. That's exactly what you need to do. It's looking good, guys. Yeah, edge there. Edge all the way around. That edge is very important. Remember, you're archaeologists now.
How's it looking?
It's looking good.
Yeah?
How do you zoom in on this? Alright. What we need is to see if we can get those trowel actions.
Yeah.
Go straight up with the camera. Don't necessarily need to have it on a tripod. Just get straight in there. See what the best angle you can get.
Yeah.
With that is. Okay, because there's shadow. So move it around, and then we'll have a look. Put more pressure on it, Rob. Cut in this edge. Okay, you can do it at a sharp angle, like this. Okay, you can take that out there. Try and get that edge. Yeah? Try and get that sharp. There we go. Get that out. Try get it level. Okay? Try and get straight up to him now, actually physically with the camera, and see what shadows we can do. And what's the best angle we can do this at. Looking good, Rob. And now you need to get this edge sorted here.
Yeah.
Really good, guys. Looking really good. Okay. That's looking good. Right, okay. Tom.
Yeah.
Before you go down, you know, you can see that depression starting to form. I don't want that, right? What I want, Rob, is if you can just get that edge at the end there, keep it coming through. Okay?
Okay.
And then what we're gonna do here, Tom, is I don't need digging any more down, right? Because you're starting to create a hole. Okay, so get this out here. Get this edge perfectly there. Get there. Okay. Right, okay. Get that in there. Moving that in. Okay, get that. Perfect edge. That's good. And then when you've done that, okay. When you've done that, I want you to stop. Just clean that up so you've got this perfect edge. Edge is everything, okay? And I add you, and then break. Get that up, that's good. Clean it all up. Do you see that little bit there, Tom? Yeah. Pull that off. Okay. Right. Act in direction, okay? Because I'm gonna forget this because I've got too much going into my head, okay?
Okay.
Word I want one of you to use at least once, only once, is that there's a swallow of opportunity.
Swallow.
Swallow. It's a word I haven't used in archaeology for years, but there's a swallow of opportunity or a swallow of activity. Basically, a swallow, a concentration of archaeology somewhere. Okay. So one of you say it. You say it first, Tom.
It's a swallow of our archaeology.
Say it again.
It's a swallow.
Say it, Rob.
There's a swallow.
Yeah, it's better.
Yeah.
Okay. So one of you say it. Okay. So that's fine. So just keep cleaning. Best thing to do now before we break. Okay.
Yeah.
Word we'd use in archaeology is clean up your loose. Okay. Come on, react. I want you angry. What the hell are you doing?
No, really.
What the hell are you doing? Here.
There. Dermot, get a brush, get that all cleaned off. We want that nice and clean. Seriously. Bloody amateurs, a lot of you.
Including Dermot.
Not you, Dermot. I know I'm not. I've been doing this for about 2 years. Yeah.
Hang on, you said you'd been doing it for 7 years.
No.
Dave, you said that.
I've been doing it for 7 years. God, don't you pay attention?
Why don't you mind your own business? Get out of the way, will you?
Yeah.
We're busy, yeah?
Can you just give us a bit of space here?
It's a bit longer there.
I just want to get inside it.
Kirsty, move around the back. Hi, we're at a secret location in South Wales, watching a group of archaeologists from the Glamorgan and Gwent Archaeological Trust who believe they're about to make an important discovery. Scene 3. David.
Yeah, that's right. Geophys pointed to this area here, and now it's become a swallow of archaeological activity.
Scene 5, you two move into the object.
Yeah, I think we found some here. What do you reckon? Hang on. Yeah, definitely.
What do you think it could be?
Do you
think that's what we're looking for?
Well, it's definitely looks like something big.
Looks like a bone.
Could be. Do you think this is what the students were ramping about then?
Yeah.
Hang on. This.
No, wait, oh, this is what we're looking for.
Yeah.
This is it.
They said it was something definitely Roman.
Definitely Roman, yeah.
Look at the stone.
This site is...
Hi guys, is that what
Yeah.
I think it is?
I believe so, yeah.
Yeah.
It's a genuine Roman artifact.
Yeah. Just look.
But it's
It's a bone.
Yeah. No. It looks like a stone statue of some kind. Just like something.
but look at that there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are pretty common, you see. But not in South Wales.
No, this is actually quite rare.
None of these are found.
But
Anywhere,
isn't this
apart from
a phallus?
Oh, what, sorry?
A phallus?
No, not at all, no.
No. Don't think so.
This is exactly what we're looking for.
So what do you think it is then? This is amazing.
It could, I think, don't quote me on this, but these are mini statues that they used in the small temples dotted around the empire.
Oh right.
And yeah, if I can mention, out of experience with working with Dave, Mr. Dave Conley here,
Yeah.
he's usually right about his predictions, even though he says not to quote them.
Oh, thank you, Dermot.
But yeah, this does definitely look like something that they used to use in the old Roman temple.
Yeah.
One of those statues.
Look, I'm not convinced. It clearly looks like a stone carved phallus.
No,
not at
you
all.
got that all wrong. See,
How can I get it all wrong?
see here, it may look like a phallus, but it's actually, look at the width of it there. It's probably a snapped off head of a spear. They were using these to depict Minerva, the mother goddess of the Roman
I've
Legion.
heard of Minerva. All
Yeah.
right. Yes.
It's-
Wasn't that Mithras?
No, it was Mithras was the Greek father. He was taken from the Greek pantheon.
Couldn't that be from Mithras?
No, definitely looks like something that Minerva would have. Right. Hang on.
Should we get it
Yeah.
out?
Yeah. Careful, careful though. We don't want to damage it
Yeah.
anyway. There. You got it, Dermot?
Yeah, exactly like we thought.
Looking at bloody hell. As my colleague Dermot here said, they're really, really rare in South Wales area because Romans didn't have that many temples. I mean, if you can look at it there, it's definitely a spearhead. Definitely. It may look like a phallus, but weather wearing it's definitely a spearhead.
I am convinced that this is an amazing discovery from a wonderful archaeological site in South Wales. This is Karl-James Langford reporting back to the studio. You told him it.
Nope.
Right, archaeologist ready. Cameraman ready.
Mhm.
Tosspot presenter ready. Go.
Jacket.
On me. Hi, this is Karl-James Langford at an exciting archaeological excavation in South Wales. The location has not been disclosed at this moment.
Yeah, that's right. Geophys pointed to this area and it's now become a swallow of archaeological activity.
Found something here.
What?
Oh, is there
there.
here?
Yeah, what's that?
Wow, what do you think it is?
Don't know yet. Could be what all the students were raving about a couple of weeks ago.
This here.
Oh, bloody hell. Looks like something big.
Yeah, it looks like a stone artifact of some sort. Probably Roman, because that's what we're looking for here.
You sure that's not bone?
No, look there. if it was bone, it would have decayed, but that's pretty much intact, apart from a bit of weather wearing.
Wow.
This is really exciting.
Yeah.
I wonder what it could be. It's definitely some sort of stone artifact. Look.
Yeah, look, it's pretty long as well. 1 minute. How far back does this go?
It's massive.
How exciting.
Yeah.
This is brilliant stuff.
Well, hang on. Yeah, it's definitely stone. Look there. You can see the abrasion marks from like the stones in the soil as well.
David Connolly, is that what I think it is?
This looks like some sort of spearhead.
Yeah.
Hang on a minute, guys. That's a phallus.
No, definitely a spearhead, because Romans used these types of spearheads on the Greek, the Roman goddess Minerva, the mother of the legions, and.
You sure you're just not making that up?
No, really, because the legionnaires got to Caerleon, and they have put places all over South Wales. They put these up, the spears, to signify good luck and fortune in battle.
Dermot, you're a top-class archaeologist. What do you think?
This is a genuinely extraordinary find. You don't see these in many places anymore. You know, especially not in South Wales.
So you think it's a spearhead as well?
Definitely a spearhead.
Wow, I'm really excited. Let's have a look.
Should we get it up?
Yeah. Go on, Dermot. You do be honest.
Wow.
A good brush down. Yeah. It may look like a phallus, but see there and there.
Yeah.
That is erosion, and it would have been much wider either side, and it looks like it's been sawn clean off, so it would have been much longer, and with an accompanying statue as well.
Maybe someone's used it for close encounters where it's been sawn off here. Look, if you can see.
Wow, guys.
Yeah. So looks like it's an absolutely extraordinary find. As Dermot said, you don't get many of these in South Wales.
But this is a very extraordinary find.
Yeah.
We haven't found anything like this before. This is brilliant stuff.
Yeah, especially as you said, it's not really common in South Wales.
No, not at all.
Let's have a closer look at this. Let's get the rest of this dirt off.
Yeah, just that's very interesting.
Yeah.
By some markings of some sort.
Yeah, look, there's stone abrasion there.
I think it's in Latin.
Uh,
This is definitely Roman.
yeah, definitely Roman.
This is Karl-James Langford reporting at a wonderful archaeological site in South Wales with an amazing discovery. Back to the studio.
Get a bit off that.
Yeah.
Cheers, guys. Right. We're at an archaeological excavation in South Wales, and I'm told by the archaeologists we're on the edge of a major scientific archaeological discovery.
That's right, Carl. If you look up there, the geophys team have marked this out and pointed it out as a site of interest, and now this has become a swallow of archaeological activity.
I think I found something here, Dave.
Dermot, what do you think you found?
It's hard to tell yet.
Hang on.
Let's brush it down.
Wow.
Hang on. Yeah, this is definitely what we were looking for.
Are you getting this in the studio?
Stone artifact.
Bloody hell, yeah. How? This is huge.
It looks like bone to me.
No, it's definitely stone. Look there and there. It's definitely stone because of stone on stone abrasion markings.
Yeah.
Wow, Dermot.
So
Hang on.
David Connolly, that looks
Bloody hell.
very much like a phallus.
No, it's a spear. It looks like a sawn off stone spear.
What do you think, Dermot?
Yeah, definitely some sort of spearhead used probably in the Roman era. It looks like it's been sawn
Hang
off
on.
here
Wow.
for close
Yeah,
encounters.
if you look there and there, Carl, it would have been
Wow.
a lot wider, but it's worn down. And as Dermot said, sawn off there, clean off.
Wow.
And if you're really, really careful.
Are you
can-
sure,
yeah,
guys?
Really careful.
Oh, this is a
though.
great treat. I am
Yeah.
the third person on this planet to touch this object. In how many years?
It must have been at least 1,000.
Wow. This is Karl-James Langford with the Glamorgan and Gwent Archaeological Trust reporting with an amazing archaeological discovery from South Wales. Over to the studio. Cut! Action! Today, we are at a site in South Wales where I'm told by the archaeologists an amazing discovery is about to be made.
That's right, Carl. If you look there, the Geophys team have already mapped this site out, and this site has now become a swallow of archaeological activity.
Hey Dave, I think I found something.
I think you're right there, Dermot. Hang on. Yeah, definitely something here.
Is that bone?
No, not bone. If you look there and there, you can see the stone abrasion markings that you get stone on stone contact.
Some sort of stone artifact from probably the Roman era.
How far back does this go? Hang on. Wow, this is huge.
Hang on, David Connolly. That clearly looks like a phallus.
No. It definitely looks like some spear. Yeah, definitely a
Some sort
spear.
of spearhead from the Roman era.
Let's get this out, Dermot. Come on. Hang on. Careful. There. There we are.
Wow, can I touch it, guys?
Yeah, if you're really, really careful. And if you look there and there, it would have been a lot wider, but it's worn down, erosion. There.
Be very gentle.
Yeah, really careful. It looks like, yeah, definitely Roman.
How old do you think this is?
At least 9 centuries old, maybe even a millennia.
Wow. This is Karl-James Langford with the archaeologists from the Glamorgan and Gwent Archaeological Trust reporting from an undisclosed site in South Wales. Back to the studio. Cut!